Hi everyone. Uh, we are from Group 8. I'm Mr. Ravinder. Our topic is substitute for polystyrene lunchboxes. Polystyrene is highly impact for environment and human too. So we should ready to switch something in that earth-friendly material because that is essential thing for create better world. In present world, people give more priority for green concept because people have getting trouble with the environment pollution. So we explore a few eco-friendly alternatives for polystyrene lunchboxes. Uh, Project importance. If someone asks, this project important? Yes, it's really important because it is very necessary to get away from polystyrene because it get 100 years to decay. That is very harmful for environment because we have to use more sustainable product than polystyrene. Thank you. Next slides will be conducted by Mesh.
Thank you, Isuru. I am Edrisina EMA UK. Mm. These are the raw material which I use for the mm, manufacture polystyrene lunchbox. Those are benzene, uh, ethylene, benzoyl peroxide, and like that. That's main important thing is those are the non-renewable raw materials. It is not good. So then I'm going to talking about properties of the polystyrene lunchbox. So water resistance is very important for the lunchbox. So we can carry wet foods and another uh, and like other wet items in this box, and as well as this is very cheap, so everyone can buy easily. And this box has been created with low weight, so it is easy to bring anywhere. And so as well as lot of properties have been included uh, for this lunchbox, as we mentioned in this slide. So then I will explain about manufacturing process. So firstly, start from crude oil or natural gas, then that that ingredients undergo to the chemical process. So then after it advert to these steps, which is in this slide, and so finally can take the polystyrene. So when it move to the uh, design machine, we can take the polystyrene lunchbox. So next part will be explained by Malisha.
Uh, Thank you, Umesh. I am Sirwardhan Kumar. Polystyrene lunchbox uses application of the product. The polystyrene lunchbox used for in of food by ensuring quality of food. Polystyrene lunchbox make have a lot low weight because styrene is and made this product. This product is here. Therefore, the lunchbox can keep food freshness. Uh, but there is huge problem of using polystyrene lunchbox. This type lunchbox has four-stage problem with the product. Next slide. Uh, okay. Extraction of raw materials. When we see all the problem of those stage we was able to identify soil erosion and water erosion is the main and huge problem in first stage of polystyrene lunchbox extraction of raw materials. Moreover, problem is this type lunchbox release many harmful gases to environment such as carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide. As well, in manufacturing lunchbox, we must need huge energy and more machine. Those problems are arise in second stage of polystyrene lunchbox. Uh, uh, Above I mentioned stage 3 is the uses of lunchbox. This type lunchbox can use uh, one time also when we put hot foods in here. Food can be changed because of the chemicals. It is affected to the diseases. Depositing of after use is the last stage of polystyrene lunchbox. In this stage, animals, plant can be dead, water can be polluted, animal and coral reef can be destroyed, uh, etc. And further, polystyrene lunchbox can be a reason for pandemic virus such as dengue and malaria. Thank you. So now my friend Ridma will carry on the presentation.
So thank you, Malija. My name is Viduranga KKDR. Next, let's see what are the alternatives available in present society for polystyrene lunchbox, and what previous problems are addressed by this solution. So alternatives are compostable lunchbox, reusable containers, banana leaves, uh, edible lunchbox, lotus leaves, bamboo fiber lunchbox. So these alternatives minimize the use of non-renewable resources, minimize CO2 emissions, and minimize environmental pollution. So uh, now my friend Gayat will carry on the presentation.
Thank you, Ridme. I am Kamalaratna KMGL. There are a lot of similar properties in alternative which we propose: lightweight, durable, low energy, manufacturing process like that. Next slide. Here we display life cycle of compostable lunch boxes. It is manufacturing by sugar grain of corn harvest. Then after the production process, you can just like polystyrene lunch boxes use it. But after dispose this lunch box, it decay easily and 100% eco-friendly. Next slide. Polystyrene lunch boxes are made as a non-decayable substance by replacing polystyrene lunchbox with compostable lunchbox. You can able to experience same quality. Lightweight, it also can hold temperature as before. It has lightweight, it also can hold temperature of foods as same as polystyrene containers. There are so many issues from manufacturing to disposal of polystyrene lunchboxes as we discussed above. Compostable lunchboxes are not like polystyrene. They are manufactured by renewable sources like corn and sugarcane harvest. So it helps to decrease usage of non-renewable sources and helps to minimize carbon dioxide emission and minimize environment pollution. Then we can recommend it as absolute eco-friendly alternative. Next slide. These are references which we take information. Thank you.